Hello, Palatamo with the FT. Prime Minister, I would like to ask you, in the past you have dropped opposition to more joint debt and European-level funding for defence. What I'm asking you today is, would you be open to more joint debt for any other reason than boosting defence funding? Thanks.
Well, my take on this question about financing some of the needed measures are totally interlinked with the question about security in Europe. And for me, number one priority is rearming Europe. I am, as you probably know, one of the European leaders that unfortunately believe that Russia are willing to continue the war, not only in Ukraine, but also in other parts of Europe. And therefore, we have to rearm ourselves. And of course, when you look at the world with my eyes and putting security as number one and the need for rearming Europe is number one priority, then you have to be pragmatic on how to reach that goal. And I am aware, of course, that our starting point in the member states are different when it comes to financing 5%, as we agreed on in Hague only a few weeks ago. And therefore, we are now being more flexible and pragmatic in the discussions about the next budget. But for me, it's linked with the rearming of Europe and not any other questions.